This is the Lavenne R9. Check it out. It's freaking sick, dude. It has so much adjustability that I probably couldn't even tell you all about it in the intro. It's got super wide armrest. It's got that cool retro, like 80s kind of vibe. I like this green. I don't know what it is about it. I just love it. There's just so much going on back here. Look at this thing. It's got a battery, airbags in it or something. It's got a bunch of adjustable lumbar support stuff. So if you're looking for like an ergonomic chair that fits pretty much any use case, if you bought a chair and you're just like, wow, this does not adjust enough, brother, this is the chair for you. It literally has so many ways to adjust how you sit that there's no way that you won't be comfortable on this. Anyways, super excited about this chair. So let's get to the unboxing and see what we got to work with here. Here it is. This is our first glimpse at our Lavenne R9. This is the very first thing that we see. Here it is. Nice, heavy, chunky boy. Full cast aluminum wheelbase. That thing is never gonna break. You're gonna need power tools to break this thing. Whoa, it's got like a little step on it or something, and it's shiny. Cool. Yeah. Whoa, the color's so cool. Green confirmed. Oh, that's heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. What is going on here? Look at that, dude. That looks like your grandpa's recliner, admit it. Look at that thing. Ooh. It's so squishy. I'm mad hype about this because you've never seen it. I feel like no one's ever seen a chair that, like, what is even going on? It's got like bass back here or something. It's kind of nice. Check out the back on that bad boy. And there's like a little remote back here going on. Okay, so we got the back and the wheelbase. We got the shock. This thing's got a battery, I think. Well, here's the seat. Look at that. Boom. Beautiful. Next up, we got, oh my God. Look at the width of this armrest. That's like a fucking pancake. Look at that. That's actually sick. That's mint. This is the widest armrest I've ever seen. I like the all aluminum base though. That's nice. I could stand on it and test it, but there's really no point. But I'll do it. I only do it on chairs I have faith. I don't know. This is actually really slippery. This could be dangerous. Wait, I have steps. Oh, it's so slippery. Okay, yeah, it didn't even flex at all. I don't know what I was even doing. There we go. The install on this is gonna be so easy. Sometimes I have to hold that in place and oh my Lord. Armrests attached. It's pretty easy, just 4 screws and we're done. Now we just need to put the back on and the leg rest. Bruh, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, mate. Should just be 2 screws coming in from the bottom right here. What's this thing got, like a speaker on it? What even is that? Oh, for the battery. The battery goes up there, which I'm charging. Here it is, there's the battery. It's like a Nintendo cartridge. Love that. And you should hear a click, then you know we did it right. And now it won't come out because of that click. The Lavenne R9. Dang, dude. That was really easy to put together. It took like 10 minutes maybe. Okay, so now we're finished putting it together. I'd like to just take a seat on it and see how it feels. But first I kind of just want to like take a minute to appreciate this and just look at it. All right, so like first impression, it's green. I really like that. I like the texture of this. It just looks different. It looks like whoever made this might be like their dream chair, you know what I mean? Like they made this. Well, what I'm trying to get at is it feels like there's a lot of thought that went into it, and it seems like somebody like went to bat for this thing because there's a lot of really cool stuff in it that like isn't industry standard, but I love it. Look at this armrest. Look at what even is that? Is that a light? I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this thing. I review a lot of chairs and I'm just like a little confused and also a little excited. You know, I hate to just gas stuff up without even trying it out, but like just off first look, I just really like the style. I don't know why, maybe because I like retro. It kind of gives me like the 80s vibes with that color because nobody ever uses this color for chairs anymore. They all go like black or like red or like, I like the old school vibes here is what I'm trying to say. And I'm also kind of excited to try out the features because it needs a battery for some reason. So I guess we'll just sit in it. Oh, okay. Now this is a chair. Well, I got some lumbar support here that I can feel. How far back do I go? Whoa, what's happening? Okay. I like when I scoot back, like Like I'm not actually rocking back yet, but like look, the whole back, like this part like tilts inward. But this could work. This could work. But dang, dude, like this like supports my shoulders like really well. This would be a good chair to like fix my freaking posture because I'm trash. Okay, so a little bit more about this chair. First up, we got, it's called an Ergo Curve Backrest. So it just kind of naturally has that curve built into it, just like your spine. A little bit of curve, ain't gonna hurt anything. It's got a powered air system on the back. That's what these weird looking attachments are back here. There's a little remote you can use to control it. These things kind of just move to help support your back, so. See how just the back part is moving and the top kind of stays. There you got a lot more lumbar support in case you got that real deep curve in the back of your back. There's 2 presets on this. They do actually like announce themselves when going, so I'm gonna hold it down. Here we go. I think that's what brought these out right here. Hold on. Yeah, here you go. Show that one more time. Hey, Lavine's excited to see me or what? And then it'll go away. Beep beep. And then the second option, let's see what that does. Okay, brings up the back a lot. Just gives you maximum support. Oh, this is the massage mode. This is so, it's so cool to have like all this going on. It's just a chair, bro. Like you just be sitting in it. But like, dang, look how far we're willing to go for comfort. It's glorious, isn't it? Essentially what that was is it's 11 different air chambers that can automatically adjust to your position. So that's kind of what you're dealing with here. It's a nylon frame with a breathable mesh. It's 3D breathable mesh fabric. So, you know, if you're a sweaty boy like me, that should help. That's probably why this design's going on here now that I'm seeing it, just to like incorporate the mesh in there for some breathability. That makes sense. Like the parts that are like a little bit dark on camera, there's a lot more airflow in that. It's got a pressure relief seat edge. So like, as you see like on the edge of the seat, sometimes they take this little plastic part and it's like a little too far up the edge of the seat and you end up with like a mark on the back of your legs or just kind of feel uncomfortable because this like is obviously not where your leg's supposed to be resting on. So I'm glad that they kind of took care of that. And they made the front of the seat go all the way over the edge. That way it's more comfortable. It's got 4 recline presets. It's got 110 degrees forward tilt, 110 degrees upright, 130 degree recline, and 150 degrees for relax. It also has an adaptive forward tilt, so you can maintain lumbar support when leaning forward. Included also is an extendable and forward adjustable footrest for different sitting positions and improved leg comfort. It also comes with a 350 millimeter aluminum base. It's got a wider frame to improve stability, and it's got silent casters in case you have wood flooring or something like that to help you move a little bit smoother. There's 4 smart support modes, targeted support for different sitting positions. It's got infinite adjustment for headrest height and forward-backward position with a knob-controlled infinite adjustment for a personalized comfort position. It's got VTS dynamic spine. It moves with your body to maintain continuous lumbar contact. And 6 smart massage modes with dynamic air pressure system for muscle relaxation. It's got a free hover carbon chassis, so it's smooth, weight-responsive recline with natural stopping points. It's got a KGS Class 4 gas lift supporting up to 300 pounds with safe and stable performance. The armrests are 5D with dual axis adjustment. They're adjustable in height, depth, width, angle, and rotation with dual axis support for flexible positioning. Last but not least, the seat depth adjustment. You can slide it forward and backward to fit different body types. This little manual knob right here just moves the lumbar support up or down depending on your needs. So there you go, in case you need to adjust it manually. And then for this knob, you basically adjust the back height of the entire chair. You can see it moving down here. And then this little knob right here, if you want to get rid of that seesaw effect that I was talking about earlier, you can lock it in place. That way the back doesn't do any of this. Just stays locked in. So depending on your preferences, that's pretty much it. Anyways, this is the Lavenne R9 chair. It freaking kind of blew me away, man. There's a lot of really cool stuff on this. It's got airbags. It's green. It's got cool footrest. It's built for big boys like me. It's got a nice wide armrest. It's got so much going on back here. Got a little remote. You really can't go wrong with this thing. So if you're interested in it, I'll leave a link for it in the description. Hope you guys check it out. If you're interested in chair reviews, I have a chair review playlist. Check it out if you're interested. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.